Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture darker in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software, then go to the file menu, select this open in place option. Now I am choose a image and open it. Then make the layer front, then select the layer, then press Ctrl T and this as the image. Then go to the image option and select this. Go to the filter and choose the color management. There are many options. Find the color option. Go to the move adjustment and select this color balance option. Then change the color. You want to make this image darker, go to the adjustment again and click this level option and make the image darker. Then click OK. Now you can see we make a image darker very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.